All right, how's everybody doing today? Today we're just doing a little video. We got the El Chapo Muchacho 1.0 and 2.0, and we're going to do a little walkthrough video, walking through both of them. One of them's more rustic and one of them's more modern, but they got the exact same dimensions, which is a 14 by 40 livable with a 6 foot by 40 foot porch. One of them's built more rustic, like you can see here with the wood, 4 by 6 timber stack, and then the other one's got more of a 2 by 6 modern exterior stud framing with the black board and bat metal siding on it. So one of them's more modern and one of them's more rustic. This one again got a 6 foot by 40 foot front covered porch. Let's take you inside this baby right here. So you walk inside and it's like an open concept. Got your kitchenette that's gonna go right there. You got your living room over there. Beautiful structure. You can smell that pine in here. It smells amazing. Wish I had smell-o-vision. Over here you put your stove. Put you a sink right here. You can see we're getting ready to install that sink. Put you a refrigerator in that little nook. Maybe some more cabinets up top. And again, a lot of people ask, can you paint these? Yes, you can. But a lot of people leave that natural knotty pine. Look at them floors. Absolutely beautiful. Now, both the El Chapo 1.0 and 2.0 I got on my lot right now. Both of them are, again, like I said, 560 square feet, and both of them are 2 bedroom, 1 bath setups, okay? So as you go down here, you got 2 windows here in the hallway. You got a spot here where your tub, toilet, and sink is gonna go, which makes a lot of sense, right? Because this is where all your plumbing is gonna come for your kitchen. And then as you go to the back, you got bedroom number 1, and then you see we got these barn doors on them. So you got the barn door set up. So you got that set up, and then you got bedroom number 2, which is the master here at the end. So again, 2 bed, 1 bath setup. This one can easily accommodate a queen size bed or smaller. And remember, we can always adjust this floor plan to accommodate a king size bed as well by just moving the floor plan around a little bit. Because remember, when you order these cabins, we can make them to order just for you. Okay, so keep that in mind. So there you go. So again, set it up any way you want. We can make it a 1 bed, 1 bath. We can make it a 2 bed, 1 bath. But again, everything you need, nothing you don't. You got your double pane windows, vinyl, easy clean. And if you buy this cabin just the way you see it here, which of course doesn't come with electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, or the appliances, is $69,900. But let's say you want it fully turnkey with everything in it. This one's 110 grand, 110. And again, this is the one we call the El Chapo Muchacho 1.0. This is our rustic cabin. Okay, so let's go next door, and we're doing a little comparison video. I'm gonna take you next door and show you the El Chapo Muchacho 2.0. There goes my phone. I'll have to call them back. So let's go next door and show you that one. It's here towards the end of the day, so I don't know if they still got it open, but let's hope they do. Okay, so let's make our way in again. As you can see, one of them's rustic and one of them's more modern. Again, same size, but just one's more rustic and one's built more modern. Again, you got that black board and bat metal siding with that cedar trim, and then you got the cedar and pine posts. Let's see if we can get in here real quick. Yep, they got the door open, good. So again, this got that Scandinavian style to it. 6 foot by 40 foot porch, board and batten metal siding. You got Anderson windows on here. That's what the back side of it looks like. 26 gauge metal roof on both cabins. Let's take you inside and show you. There's big Bertha 1.0. You all know her very well. And again, huge porch. Let's take you inside and show you this setup. So when you walk in, now this one is set up same kind of concept where you got the open concept. We got a little bit stage. So you got your living room here. We already got your GFIs here where your kitchenette's gonna go, but this is just a shell. So if you purchase this just the way it is, as you can see, this already got electric running. You got 2x6 exterior wall studs. It's got R19 insulation in it. Then you got the birch wood. That is not sheetrock, by the way. That's actually birch painted white on the walls. That way when you transport it, it won't crumble during transportation. So this is where your kitchenette area will go along this wall in an L shape. And open concept, there's your living room. Again, you got these beautiful black double pane vinyl easy clean Anderson windows. And just like the 1.0, as you go back, you got bedroom number 1 here. We got it set up as a little office. You can see you got your electrical panel. You do have a pocket door right here. And again, if you buy this one just like it is with the electric installation and the birch on it, just like you see it, it's already got the lights, fully insulated at $75,000. Or you can say, you know what, I want it fully turnkey, moving ready with all the appliances, kitchenette, everything in it, tubs, toilets, and sinks. That'll be $125,000. The way this one's set up, you got a spot here for your full bathroom, and then last but not least, you got your master bedroom over this way. Okay, so this way. And that's a queen size bed for reference. So as you can see, you could fit a king. Again, everything you need, nothing you don't. There's a window out to your front porch there. And then you got another window here. A lot of natural light coming in. You see you got your LED recessed lights in there. And again, this one is 75 grand if you just buy it like you see it here. Because a lot of people, they're into DIY, you know, the do-it-yourself stuff. So they'll say, I just want to buy the shell like it is with electric insulation and then the sheetrock on it. In this case, like I said, this ain't sheetrock, this is birch. And then they finish it from there. So a lot of people will buy it like this because they want to save the money and put in their own tubs, toilets, and sinks, which really, you know, you can do that as a weekend warrior project at Home Depot and Lowe's. So if you're into DIY, give us a call, buy you one of these shells, and then finish it yourself. See what I'm saying? That way you can save some money. But if you're not a DIY type of person and you just want us to bring it to you turnkey, moving ready, well, we can do that too. Again, $75,000 if you buy it just like this, or $125,000 if you buy it fully loaded. And when we say fully loaded, we mean electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, tubs, toilet, sinks, tankless water heater, mini splits, stove, refrigerator, microwave, and dishwasher. We're talking about turn the key and move on in. Okay, turn the key and move on in. Again, this is the one we call the El Chapo Muchacho 2.0. And remember too, like let's say for example, you like that tongue and groove pine on the inside instead of these white walls. We can do that, guys. That's not a big deal. And then maybe on the outside, you don't want the, maybe you want the, you don't want the metal, you want the D-log siding. We can do that as well. So just keep in mind, when you order your cabin, you tell us how you want it. You see what I'm saying? Some people really like this look with the metal and the cedar trim. Some people are like, no, I like rustic. I want all D-log siding on the outside and I want tongue and groove pine on the inside. Well, again, we can do that too. Just let us know how you want us to do it and we can cater to what y'all are talking about. Make sense? Again, these are made just for you, okay? Now this particular model on the lot is for sale. So if you're interested in purchasing this lot model, we might be able to give you a little bit of a discount. So give us a call. First deposit gets it. We're getting ready to rotate this one out and bring in another model. So if you're interested in this one, just give us a call and say, I'm interested in purchasing the El Chapo Muchacho 2.0. And that way you don't have to wait for us to build one, because right now we're like 6 to 8 months out. If you're wanting to wait on one, there's quite a wait on it. But again, if you want custom, we can do custom as well. Just let us know what it is you're trying to do. Give us a call and we can make it happen. Okay. Look at them floors. Beautiful. Again, If you're just looking for a tiny home for your land, this one is 560 square feet, livable space, 14 by 40, with a 6-foot by 40-foot front covered porch. So with the porch, you're looking at 800 square foot under roof. Let me again take you outside and show you a side-by-side comparison one last time before ending the video here. And remember, we can do any color metal you want. So maybe you like this idea, but maybe you want a different color metal siding that's not black, you want something else. Same with the roof, we can do it. Okay, so again, if you buy this one as it is, $75,000 for the shell with electric installation and the birch, or you can buy it fully turnkey for $125,000. And if you want to buy the rustic El Chapo, this one next door, the first one I showed, is $69,900 for this one here, just like you see it, or you can buy it for $110,000 fully turnkey with electric plumbing, heating, cooling, tubs, toilets, and sinks. Okay, so 2 different options, same cabin. One's more modern, one's more rustic. That way we're trying to cater to everybody out there, because not everybody's into rustic. So there we go, you can go modern. Not everybody's into modern, you can go rustic, or we can do a combination of both. Okay, and remember, across the ways here, we can also do the park models on wheels and the rustic 2-story cabins like the big Bertha 1.0. So lots of options with us. We did have a Carrot Top over there, if y'all remember, but we sold that one. So that one's no longer with us, but we got a bunch of other park models over there, and we still got the shipping container home. So we'll show those another time. But do us a favor, hit a like, hit a share, hit a follow if you like what you see. If you're a baby boomer or a Gen Xer, go ahead and comment boomer or Gen X below. I'm a 1979 Gen X model, so I like to see I got my people watching me, not just the young bucks. So shout out Gen X, shout out boomers. Show me some love below. Comment boomer or Gen X below. If you like the content, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. You know who this is, Cabin Cowboy, coming at you from AmishBuiltCabins.com. I appreciate y'all watching my content. Again, show me some love. Hit that like, hit that share, hit that follow button, and comment below so we can keep the YouTube algorithm happy and get some more people watching my content, find out about our cool cabins. I appreciate you. I love you. Be blessed. Thanks for watching my content. Come back and see me anytime. Cabin Cowboy out, baby. Brah.